Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcake holders out of parchment paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a roll of parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a round object like a small glass or jar. Don't forget your muffin tin, it's crucial for shaping. A pencil and ruler will also be helpful for accurate measurements. Now, let's prepare the parchment. Take your parchment paper and cut it into 5-inch by 5-inch squares. Precision here helps create neat liners. Once you have your square, fold it in half, then fold it in half again to create quarters. Unfold the paper. You should see clear crease lines that will guide your shaping. It's time to form your cupcake holders. Gently place one of your creased parchment squares into a muffin tin cavity. Use your fingers to press the paper firmly against the sides and bottom of the tin, following those crease lines. For a perfectly rounded shape, use a small glass or jar to press down into the center, molding the paper smoothly. Before baking, double-check that your parchment liners fit snugly in the muffin tin. Now, you're ready to add your cupcake batter. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with your favorite recipe. Bake according to your recipe's instructions, and enjoy your perfectly baked cupcakes in their homemade holders. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.